Listen to the words as I read them aloud. If you need any of them repeated, please rewind the recording and play it again. Make sure you're typing all of your letters in lowercase. Number 1, actual. The actual size is shown. Actual. Number 2, burden. The donkey carried the burden. Burden. Number 3, captain. The captain steered the ship. Captain. Number 4, comparison. A comparison tells how two things are alike. Comparison. Number 5, example. The teacher gave an example. Example. Number 6, label. The label in my t-shirt itches. Label. Number 7, medal. Carla won a gold medal in the Special Olympics. Medal. Number 8, special. I feel special on my birthday. Special. Number 9, sudden. All of a sudden it started to rain. Sudden. Number 10, veteran. My uncle is an Army veteran. Veteran.